Welcome to Best Brain Trains. My name is Best, and today I'm going to show you how to add and remove columns from pivot charts using Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. In our previous video, I showed you how to create a pivot chart in Microsoft Excel using a gradebook as an example. I'll continue with this example by showing you how to create additional columns or remove fields that you may not need. Here I've added an average of Term 3 formative assessment scores. I'm going to add an additional column now. First, I will click anywhere inside of the field chart that has already been created, so it will pull up my options menu. Once my options menu has been pulled up, I'm going to add summative assessment scores to the values list, as well as Term 3 final scores. Two additional columns have been added, column C and column D. Again, I want to change these from sums to averages, so I will click on Sum, go to Pivot Table Analyze, Field Settings. Always make sure that the column that you are working with is selected. It will show up in a new window. Here I'm going to change from Sum to Average. I will do the exact same thing for the next column. However, this time I want to show you an additional step. Right now you see that, like before, I wanted to change my numbers to 2 digits after the decimal place. Here it has not been done. Here in this particular window, I'm going to do it immediately. So once I've selected average, instead of hitting OK, I will go to number here, and it's going out to 2 decimal places, and click OK. It will automatically correct it. I will go back and fix it for this one, just so you see the steps again. Field settings, here is the number button, number, 2 decimal places, OK. Now I have 3 columns, one for the average of Term 3 formative assessment scores, the average of Term 3 summative assessment scores, and the final Term 3 average. However, I don't think that I need this column, this final column, column D. So if I want to delete this column, you cannot select right-click delete, because it will not allow you to delete a column from the pivot table in this way. In order to delete column D, I'm going to click anywhere inside of the pivot table in order to bring up the options menu again. Now, the column that I would like to delete is average of Term 3 final. If I come over here and I cannot see completely, I can actually pull this out so that will show me the full titles that are written here. Here I want to delete average of Term 3 final, so I will select that one and right click. It gives me the option to remove field. Now your field is gone. You can do the exact same thing for other fields if you would like to. I would like to remove average of Term 3 summative assessment. I will click it, remove field. So today we've learned how to add additional columns to our pivot table, as well as remove columns from the pivot table if necessary. Thank you for watching Best Brain Trains. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss our next video.